Looks like it's phone release season because devices are coming out hot and fast. Especially now that the government has added an extra 10% levy in the name of excise duty to mobile phones that are coming into the country. Having a good device with good features and having a reasonable price point is all the more emphasized now. See more on that Finance Act news in this article tagged here from Techweez.com. Moving on, today we focus on Realme's latest offering, the Realme 9 4G, a mid-range device with a whopping 108 megapixels camera. Now, this is exciting, yes, but this also confuses us on where we can put it. A top-line budget phone, but a low-line mid-range phone, because it's a flagship featured phone as you'd expect from a mid-ranger, but comes on a higher budget-like price segment. It has a good price, by the way. Oh, believe me when I say it has a very good price for the features that it fashions. Let's delve more into it. From Techweez, I'm Martin Gedenji with the Realme 9 4G unboxing and first impressions review. Let's take it and go. The Realme 9 ships in its signature colorful yellow-orange box that contains the phone, the Type-C charging cable, and the 33-watt power brick. A silicone clear case comes included, plus SIM ejector tool and user guide. The phone's design feels premium, rocking Gorilla Glass 5 for the front, meaning less fragility. The back is plastic, but that doesn't diminish much of the overall feel. Picking up this phone, you'll feel how light and compact it is at 178 grams and features a 6.4 display, which means it fits real nice in your hand and makes for easy one-handed operations. It comes in 3 colors, including Stargaze White, Sunburst Gold, and Meteor Black for our unit. The Sunburst Gold is the prettier one, but if you don't like the attention, the black one is the perfect pick. Coming to the star of the show is the 6.43 AMOLED screen with resolution of 1080 by 2400 with 1000 nits peak brightness, meaning you'll have no issues using the phone outdoors, and also has a smooth refresh rate of 90 Hz. Yes, it's not 120 Hz, which we would want on all mid-range smartphones, but then again, it's not 60 Hz, so 90 Hz works. Under the hood, we get the Snapdragon 680 processor, which has become common on phones in the mid-range tier that are looking to push the price point further down. Realme 9 4G was capable of running every game and app that we threw at it, thanks to the ample horsepower. From heavy multitasking to switching between light games and graphic-intense games, such as Ninja Arashi, Asphalt 9, and Shadow Fight 3, among others. Our unit ships with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. You also get virtual RAM expansion by up to 5GB. Android 12 software is on the Realme 9 4G with Realme UI 3 skin, which looks so similar to ColorOS 12. I'm not stating it to complain, just pointing it out, as ColorOS to me is one of the best skins we have on Android so far. You're getting delightful icons and more spatial and fluid interface. Smart theming engine that customizes your phone by picking colors from your wallpaper and applies those colors across system elements. Sketchpad AOD that converts your portrait wallpaper into artistic AOD aesthetics that are indeed yours, plus floating window 2.0 for multitasking. In my opinion, the Realme UI 3 feels more cohesive when compared to the Realme UI 2, and the Realme 9 4G is also in line to receive Android 13 update later this year. Keeping the lights on with the Realme 9 4G is a 5000 mAh battery that supports 33-watt fast charging. The gigantic battery will last you a full day from a single charge, with some left in the tank for some late-night browsing if you are a heavy user. Moderate and light users can make it last a day and a half or more. And if you really drain the battery out, the Realme 9 4G fast charging will juice up your phone from 4% to 99% in 77 minutes. But if you need a quick boost, you can get up to 67% in 40 minutes. Coming to the optics, the Realme 9 4G sports a 108 megapixels triple camera setup that features an 8 megapixels ultra-wide and a 2 megapixels macro lens. On the front, inside a punch hole, is a 16 megapixel selfie camera that gives some fantastic results for video calling, taking selfies, and everything else you'll want from the front-facing shooter. I was blown away by the quality of the shots, whether taken during the day or at night, and this includes selfies too. With the Realme 9 4G, there isn't much you need to tweak or work around when shooting photos, which is the ideal experience on a smartphone. A highlight for me with this camera would have to be the food shots coming straight from the camera. Yes, it is a photography genre by itself. So don't judge those people whose food gets cold as first they have to get perfect shots. Actually, with the Realme 9 4G, not much time will go into getting the perfect shot. So no cold food. Snap, snap, chop, chop, pop, pop on social media. If you like posting lots of food shots, then this is the camera to go for. The selfies turned out really well, especially the portraits with the background blur. And as we've come to expect with the Snapdragon 680 chipset, videos are cut at 1080p 30fps for the main camera and front-facing lens. They are not 4K, but they are decent videos both during the day and at night, worth sharing on Instagram stories or WhatsApp status. The mid-range smartphone market in the country is seeing an injection of competitive devices with good features and friendly prices, and the Realme 9 4G fights its way to stand out. It remains a top mid-range pick with great performance, fantastic and reliable cameras, gorgeous display, fast charging, and more. So, how much are we talking about for this device? For 30,999 or 31,000, you can get yourself this sleek performer and enjoy both social and work activities. More details in the description box down below on where to get this device. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now you go.